So a lot of you might run into this while updating your BIOS. The selected file is not a proper BIOS. Now here's the confusing part. I downloaded the BIOS from the official website, and it's for the same motherboard, the same baseboard, everything matches. But Easy Flash still throws this error, like the BIOS isn't selected properly. At that point, I got confused too. I double-checked my baseboard, went back to the website, and downloaded the BIOS again just to be 100% sure I wasn't messing up. But unfortunately, I faced the same issue again. Then I tried a different method, and later on, I noticed a lot of people talking about this exact fix on Reddit as well. So the solution is actually pretty simple. Using the motherboard's physical flash button, in that scenario, you must rename the BIOS firmware file exactly as mentioned on the website, using their official rename tool. But if you're flashing the BIOS from inside the motherboard BIOS settings, then you don't need to rename anything at all. You just unzip the file, copy it to your USB, and select the .cap file directly. As you can see here, I have two files. One is renamed using the official tool, and the second one is not renamed at all. I used the non-renamed file from inside the BIOS settings, and it worked perfectly. So this was the mistake I was making, and honestly, a lot of you might be doing the same thing too, because I never really saw a clear disclaimer about this on the official website while downloading the BIOS. It is mentioned, but only for the hardware method, which is also known as factory flash. Only the physical flash method requires the BIOS file to be renamed. Other than that, if you're updating from inside the BIOS settings, there's no need to rename the firmware file. That's it, guys. Hope this small tutorial fixes the issue for many of you who didn't realize this mistake before. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family, and let me know in the feedback. I really want to see how many people already knew this and how many weren't aware of it. Till then, this is Austin, signing off.